Welcome to this spoken English lesson, where we will discuss the common misuse of lie and lay. Lie, meaning to recline or rest, does not require an object, while lay, meaning to put or place, does. For example, I lie down on the couch, versus, I lay the book on the table. Many people confuse the past tense of lie with the present tense of lay, but they are completely different. The past tense of lie is lay, while the present tense of lay is lay. So, yesterday, I lay on the beach, and today, I lay my bag on the chair. Another common mistake is using laid when referring to the past tense of lie. The correct form is, yesterday, I lay on the bed, not, yesterday, I laid on the bed. Similarly, she lies on the grass every day, not, she lays on the grass every day. Remember, to avoid confusion, use lie when you want to refer to yourself resting, and lay when there is an object involved. To recap, I lie on the bed, and I lay the clothes on the chair. Practice using these words correctly to improve your spoken English skills. Keep in mind that lie and lay are often misused, but with practice, you can master their proper usage. Thank you for watching this spoken English lesson on the misuse of lie and lay. Keep learning world-class spoken English with Guruji English Classes.